and today we are in Botswana, Gaborone. Not Scotland, yes, Botswana, Gaborone. So we have these beautiful houses in Sisha, in Kale, starting price from 2 million Bula. I said Bula, not pounds, okay? So guys, if you're interested in this property, I will leave some contact details down below. I'll leave all the information you need about this property. And if you need any other help, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. This modern family home is very well staged. The show home has gorgeous decor. It's an open plan kitchen diner vibe. So we're gonna start right here at the diner. Very well decorated dining room with 6 seats for the staging, but I am sure, I am sure you could fit more than 6 for those family gatherings and those parties. And we've got a gorgeous lounge there and great kitchen. The kitchen fits a huge American style fridge. It's got an extractor fan for those spicy dishes, honey, and an electric hob and oven. A little sink here, great counter space, beautiful countertops and backsplashes. A lovely microwave up high so you could keep it away from the kids. Then we've got this lovely backless kitchen where all the dirty work really goes down. So we've got a double sink in here to get those dishes done. We've got a lovely backsplash. Just because it's where the dirty work happens, it doesn't mean it doesn't have to look cute. We've got an entrance from the backless kitchen to the garden for those laundry days. Great hallway with great decor. The first room we're going to see is the principal bedroom. Now, the principal bedroom, honey, look at it. So we've got this great vanity area. The vanity area is great for getting ready in the morning. Large mirror, because what's a bedroom without a large mirror? Great windows, very large size, a good queen size bed. That bedding is just gorgeous. And I love the paint color in here. The decorator went all out, honey. And then the walls have this grayish, beautiful tone that complements the tiles very well. Heading on over to the walk-in closet, you could potentially have this as a his and hers walk-in closet. It's got ample space, great folding space, great hanging space. So it's a very practical room. Speaking of practical, we have an ensuite, saving you time in those mornings where the kids are getting ready and you're getting ready. We've got a WC, great flush, great sink, great toilet. So back into the hallway and heading on over to the other side where you're meted by these very practical double bedrooms. This double bedroom here has fitted wardrobes, which again, ample space. We've got an AC there, great windows to let in a lot of natural light, which will be needed because you'll need that light to ventilate, to open the windows and ventilate the rooms. We've got a bathroom. This is the family bathroom now. The family bathroom has a 3-pane window, and over the bath shower, a toilet, a sink, and fitted mirrors. Heading on over to the twin bedroom. Now, the twin bedroom is a great room if you have more than one child. To set it up like this is very cute and practical. Or for guests, it would be a great guest room too. The twin bedroom also has fitted wardrobes and space around the beds to be able to maneuver, which is very practical. Heading back to possibly my favorite part of the house, which is the garden. But to get to the garden, you have to go through these gorgeous sliding doors. They have a dining area set up. You can have that as your breakfast or dinner area because Botswana is hot, darling. And then you've got a lounge area. This grass area has an option to add a pool. I don't know who's saying no to that, but give me the pool. And the principal bedroom would get a glimpse of that view every day.
And then we've got a lovely back garden there. That door leads into our great garage. And I love the grays out here and the way the gardens are done. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll leave my details down in the below. There'll be security in this place. Gorgeous edifacing. Look at that home. Subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Au revoir.